In the previous video, we have seen how advertisement playlists in PySignage are used to insert desired content in between a regular playlist. Here, we will learn about another type of playlist, that is domination content playlist, whose functionality, like advertisement playlist, is to insert content in between regular display but has a unique type of application due to its specific nature. Domination content playlist is useful in deploying contents across screens in a group in a perfectly synchronized manner. The domination content makes your displays visually appealing. Like advertisement playlist, domination content playlist is also a regular playlist with additional settings. We know that the advertisement playlist is inserted only after the regular playlist asset running at the time completes its display for the specified interval. Even the break video feature present is of use only with video assets. So the interval specified for ad insertion may not be observed in absolute terms with advertisement playlist. Secondly, though all the players in a group are controlled together, the displays of all the screens in a group may not be synchronized perfectly, more so when the players are running over a long period of time. Naturally, if you create and insert advertisement playlists in such groups, the ad output may not be synchronized across screens with very minute difference in displays in each screen. Now for most use cases, this is absolutely fine, but there may be situations where you need perfectly synchronized output at regular intervals. Domination content playlist solves this issue. When the domination content is scheduled for display, the regular playlist display is immediately terminated and the domination content playlist is freshly deployed to all the players at once. Thus, the domination content playlist is displayed across screens in a perfectly synchronized manner. This feature is used in many movie theaters where an ongoing display across screens is stopped to play a movie trailer. This trailer display is more effective visually when all the screens display it in a synchronized manner. Now let us see how to implement domination content playlist taking the same example above. So we need to insert a video content, that is an upcoming movie trailer, in between the regular playlist. The trailer should be displayed once every 10 minutes. The trailer should get deployed across all the players simultaneously with screens running the content in a perfectly synchronized manner to create a visually appealing effect. Now let us start implementing. Log into your account. Here in the account we can see there is a group called Movie Theater GRP. If you go inside, you can see it is running a playlist called Show Timings PL. Now we need to insert a domination content playlist here. The playlist having the movie trailer as asset, which is to be played periodically in between the Show Timings playlist. For this, first we will create the domination content playlist. Go to playlist. We will create a playlist called Promo PL. We want our domination content playlist in layout 1. Now select the assets you want to be part of this playlist. We need to have the movie trailer video asset uploaded in our account beforehand. Here we will choose a placeholder video. Do note that though our use case has only one video asset in our domination playlist, you can have any type of asset or any number of assets in domination playlist. Go to settings section in the top right corner. A pop-up page opens. Here we have explored the advertisement playlist in detail in previous video. Leave it as it is and choose the next option, that is enable domination content. Once you select it, you see the option of selecting the time interval for its display. The entry is in minutes. Here enter 10 if you want your domination content inserted after every 10 minutes. Ignore the rest. Scroll down and save. Your domination content playlist is ready. You can see the label domination content associated with this playlist. Note that unlike advertisement playlist, you don't have the option here to limit the number of assets displayed in each instance or the option to limit the content to side and bottom zones. Once deployed, the whole domination content playlist runs, displaying all the assets in it. Also note that domination content playlist need not be in the same layout as your regular playlist, which we recommended in the case of advertisement playlist. Now as we are done creating domination content playlist, let us schedule it in the group, in our case Movie Theater GRP. Click on Schedule Additional Playlist and select the domination content playlist we have created from the drop down. Now if you deploy the group as it is, the regular playlist of the group, that is Show Timings PL, will be interrupted after every 10 minutes and all the screens will display domination content PL simultaneously in a synchronized manner. Now some additional information about domination content playlists. These playlists can be scheduled just like regular playlists with all the options available for scheduling same as that of regular playlist. Secondly, once the domination content playlist completes its display, the regular playlist resumes its display beginning with the asset whose display was interrupted. Here, the asset whose running was interrupted will again be displayed for the whole length of specified asset time, not just the remaining time after the time of interruption. For example, say an asset with specified display time of 60 seconds is interrupted after it has completed 40 seconds display. During resumption, this interrupted asset will begin its run from the beginning and will be displayed for the whole 60 seconds, not the remaining 20 seconds. While scheduling, carefully ensure that your display is not stuck in a loop. In our example, the domination content interval duration is 10 minutes. Say for example, when your display is interrupted for domination content insertion, the regular display is in the middle of playing an asset having 20-minute display time. After the domination content playlist completes its display, the 20-minute long regular playlist asset whose display was interrupted will restart its display from the beginning, again to be interrupted at 10-minute mark. Thus the regular playlist will be stuck to displaying this single 20-minute asset without moving forward. Make sure you avoid such loops. Domination content playlist gives you the ability to not only insert desired content at fixed intervals but also present it in a visually appealing way with synchronized output. For any further clarification, reach us at info@paisanate.com.